Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I teach you how to earn with your skills in the Web3 space. Join us. So today is day 10 and so far so good. We've made some awesome progress. And I love the feedback I'm getting so far about how this is helping you getting more consistent and the value you're getting from the previous days. So today is day 10. What are we doing today? We are making a post on LinkedIn. So, what kind of post are you going to make on LinkedIn? Today, write a post write a post about your Web3 journey. How has it been? How long have you been here? For someone like me, if I'm going to write a post about my Web3 journey, I'll talk about where I started from, how I started from 2018, 2019, I got my first Web3 job, and how the different jobs I've done from social media management to news writing to become a marketing partner at OKEX, courtesy of a friend's referral, and how I became a marketing lead at my other job, and how I'm currently a content marketer at Gamic, and how I'm also building a community at Valley Cup. So I'm going to share all those stories. Now, don't look at me and say, "Oh, you don't have all this experience I have." No, wherever you are right now is perfect. It's really, really, really perfect for you to share your story. If you're still starting your journey in the Web3 space, talk about it. Or if you had a career in Web2, like you used to be a writer, a freelancer or something, talk about how you transition into Web3. Talk about what brought you here. What's your interest? What are you expecting? All of those things. Just share your story genuinely. Now, one of the things you have to pay attention to is that people are looking out for genuine stories, because so that other people can relate. One of the reasons why so many persons are able to relate to some of my content, especially like in crypto, is because I don't do high sounding nonsense. You guys can tell. I don't do high sounding nonsense. I try to come to your level and try to explain it so that you can grasp it, because I used to be where you are. I used to be at that place, that new person who just came into crypto and nothing was making sense. So tell your story on LinkedIn. That should be a post. It should be a post you should make today. Get a picture of yourself. Tell your story. Oh, this is where you were. This is how you came into the crypto space. This is the career you're building. This is where you are in your career. This is what you are planning to learn. This is what you've learned in the past. This has been your experience. These are the results you've gotten. Write it all out and share it out there, and then request that people should comment, drop their ideas, drop what they think, and you know engage with other people. The more you engage with other people, the more your profile is visible. Engage with other people. You can tag a few friends like, hey, people that must have helped you when you were coming to the space and made things easy, people that helped you in your career journey so far so good. You can tag them and all of that. I can ask for advice, like, what do you think, what's your best tip for doing it better in this area? So that will really, really help. So go ahead. You can also tag me if you want to comment or like your post on LinkedIn. Do that, and I want to see it. So today's task is what? Today's tip is what? Writing a post about your career journey so far in Web3 on LinkedIn. So see you tomorrow, the 11th, and make sure you are putting all this into practice. Remember, all these things is to help you stay consistent in positioning you to land that Web3 job opportunity. The key thing here is consistency, and that's why we're doing this in every day, every single day. All right. So see you.